Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to take apart this here internet box. They're normally on a pole. They're scrapped. We're going to see what's in it. It's made of cast aluminum, so we're going to call it dirty aluminum as it sits. It's 25 cents a pound. We got 4.56 pounds of dirty aluminum. That would be $1.14 if we took this in as it sits. We can take it apart, see what's good in it, see if there's anything that's worth it, and yeah, let's get it done. We're going to pull this thing apart. We're going to see what's all in it. I've gotten a few of these that I found. That is magnetic. So, kind of anxious to see what's in these. Doesn't look like it's going to take much to get it apart. So this will be a quick video. I've got a couple other boxes too that we can take apart. It's different than this. But this looks like it's the quicker one out of them all. So let's see what's in here. Oh wow. Nice board. Couple nice boards. Aluminum. Really shiny aluminum. Got another one of them diaper things in here. Keep everything all nice and dry. Get this out. And we'll get everything weighed up. Nice gold pieces on those. Different type of bit. There we go. These here look like they're stainless. But we'll know more when we can get them out. Got one more hiding right there. There's those there. Got some nice chips on the back too. So that's going to be a high grade board. Maybe a telecom. It's a transformer. Get this one out. Now we'll see what Oscar says what that board is. Another board with some gold. A couple little chips. We'll see what that board is too. We got nice little gooey things. Sometimes sit there and just play. There's a plastic piece. It's some plastic junk, but kind of neat. Here's a nut we can get off. See if this is, that's plastic. See if this is stainless. It's not. Well, yep. Fell off the magnets. It sure is. That's stainless. Put that in our stainless jar. I'm pretty sure the rest of this is stainless. That's stainless. As far as I know, we'll check it and make sure it's not brass, but I'd say that's stainless. Nope, I was wrong. That is brass. So that's brass. So maybe this is brass also. We got a couple more here. Get these screws off. Got some plugs. We'll have to bend them down so we can get them off. They got locks on them. Get these here nuts off. We'll see if these are brass too. Not sure about that, but we'll check it. Those are out. Got this big one we can get out. Pops right out. That one there doesn't seem want to go, so we'll persuade it to go, huh? Get those out. See if those are steel. Those are metal. Ferrous. They're magnetic. Piece of rubber gasket. Some wire. We'll take that end off. Connect her in for board sort. Here's something that's metal. Get that out. Another piece of rubber. Yep, that is ferrous. Clean this up. Get this gasket out of there. There, got the rubber gasket off. Got a grounding screw we gotta get off. And these here plates. There's that plate. That's not magnetic, so we'll check on that. And get this grounding screw. The grounding screw is not ferrous. So is it brass? No, that's not brass. That must be stainless. One piece of stainless. See if this is brass. No, but that's awful light. I'd say that's a piece of aluminum there. See if these are brass. I can't tell on that one. These little ones, that's brass. This one, I believe that one's aluminum. Because it's not hard like stainless would be. So we'll call that aluminum. And there we got a piece of clean cast aluminum now. We'll clean these here up. I'll cut these here off. I'll keep these for myself. Keep those nice little golden tidbits. One day I might try to do a little bit of gold recovery. But we'll get the wire off of here. So that's a nice end. I'm not sure on this one if I can claim this one as a gold end, because it's got a lot of gold in there for board sort, but I'm going to, on this video, we will. And pretty much nothing on that, low grade if anything. And I believe that is it. And our gum, I'm gonna see if I can pop some of this out, and then try to get those gold pieces out of there. So we'll get that done, we'll come back, weigh everything up, and we'll see what we got. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. And we're back. This is all the steel shred we got out of that. And for 5 cents a pound, at 0.07 pounds, it doesn't come up as anything. So we'll call it a penny, just so we can call it something. For the aluminum, at 40 cents a pound, we got 0.03 pounds, that's a penny. And as you can hear, we're getting rain. Finally, been almost a month and a half before we get any rain. We finally getting rain. For the brass, and yes, that's all brass. So the clean yellow brass, $1.80 a pound. We got 0.2 pounds. That is a nickel for the clean yellow brass. This is dirty aluminum. It's not stainless. So for dirty aluminum at 25 cents a pound, we got 0.19 pounds. That's a nickel for the dirty aluminum. For the insulated copper wire, at 30 cents a pound, we got 0.4 pounds. That is 1 penny for the insulated copper wire. For the connector ends, at $2.25 a pound, we got 0.06 pounds. That's 15 cents for the connector ends. For the peripheral low-grade board, at $2.40 a pound, we got 0.06 pounds. That is 16 cents for the peripheral low-grade board. For a high-grade telecom, and Oscar keeps telling me this is a high-grade telecom, at $8.75 a pound, we got 0.29 pounds. This is $2.58 for this high-grade telecom board, which it does have a lot of gold Enig and stuff on it. And for the cast aluminum, at 35 cents a pound, we got 3.65 pounds. That's $1.28 for this clean cast aluminum. I did get some gold that I'm going to keep. Eventually, I'll try to take it off, and maybe I'll video it when I try. I'm not sure. But that's a good while ahead, good ways ahead before I'll do that. But Hope you liked the video. Enjoyed taking this apart. Like I said, I got a couple other things that's in this line that I can take apart. I know it was an internet box like they got on poles. They're upgrading everything through here, so they was tossing them. So I was able to get a couple of them so I can take apart and we can see what's in them. And kind of interesting to see what it is. And so please please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And always a thumbs up is good. And I'll keep them coming. So I'll see you the next time. See ya. Bye.